know what it is? It's slime.
What am I supposed to do with this?
It's like the feeling of the touch.
Suddenly I became a princess. That one? I really love that. It was the first Korean.
죄송한데 아까 내 3등 그거 한 번만 찍어줄 수 있을까요?
네. 아니요, 가져가셔도 돼요.
아 정말요? Yeah, it's your present.
I'll put this in here so I
Oh.
remember. Keep bending it. Or lose it. There's so many sides.
It makes you feel like exotic.
It's probably the older designs for this. A lot of these older sections of the cities that weren't destroyed in like wars or something.
Mm-hmm. Good job! I'm 3! I got your name. I put your name. You can do it. Oh, oh, wow. I'm third. So clean. Whoa. Hey. Cheers. Hey, wow. Lego. Wow, wow, wow. Woohoo. Wow, 100.
Like all my stuff is in bookshelf.
She got this all.
I feel bullied right now. And what did you buy?
These two.
Management?
Marketing and brand essay.
What did you get?
I don't know. 떡볶이.
A video of what?
Our feet?
Our feet?
Yeah.
You have a foot fetish?
No, not yet.
Wait, not yet?
Who knows?
Your future partner.
Sorry, mom.
Your daughter. And then she said that she's gonna play with her feet. The poor guy.
No.
It's a nice view.
Yeah. Well,